I am Professor Anil Pawar from Matosai College of Management and Decision Center. Today we are discussing the topic role of HR manager. Several roles are fulfilled by HR manager in the nature and extent of those roles depend on what top management and the staff want to from the HR manager. The roles of HR manager is differentiate in three points, that is administrative role in this policy maker, administrative expert, advisor, housekeeper, counselor, welfare officer, legal advisor. In operational role, that is recruiter, trainer and motivator, linking pin, mediator, employee champion, and in strategic role in the strategic partner, change capture. Now we see the administrative role of the HR manager. That is, the first one is the policy maker. HR manager act as the policy maker in the organization. He assists the top management in designing the policies for hiring and retaining the talent, welfare activities, personal record, wages and salary, administrative work condition, etc. He facilitates an organization in the appropriate implementation of human resources policies. Second one is the administrative expert. HR manager performs several administrative functions such as managing employee records, HR related database, handling the employee benefit claims, responding to questions concerning leaves, medical and transport facility. Next one is the advisor. HR manager as an advisor advises, suggests, counsel and provides assist to the line manager in order to enable to them to perform their tasks. Next one is the housekeeper. A housekeeper, HR manager aids the organization in managing various activities such as recruitment, prior employment, testing, background verification, wage and salary administration, employee benefits and pension administration programs for employees. Next one is a counselor. As a counselor, it is the duty of an HR manager to share the employees' problems pertaining to their job, supervisor, peers, family well-being, economic and social status, and to counsel them on how they can tackle these problems. As a welfare officer, it is the responsibility of HR management to take care of all the welfare activities being carried out in the organization. As a legal advisor of the organization, HR manager helps redressing the grievance, disputes, settlement, handling disciplinary issues, facility collective bargaining, facility perform for joint consultation, interpreting and implementation the labor law, making contracts with lawyers for lawsuit, filing and handling cases in various courts, etc. Now we see the operation roles of HR management. Recruitment, it presents scenario, it has become a global war for talent people. So recruitment is the main role of HR management. Next one is trainer and motivation. HR management need to identify employees who require training and development at a regular interval time. So he arranged all the proper training and development programs for the employee. Next one is a mediator. At the time of conflict and grievance, the organization always need a mediator to resolve those problems effectively. HR manager act as a mediator to maintain industrial peace by resolving the conflicts between two employees, supervisor or subordinate. So HR manager is act as a mediator. Next one is the employee champion. Occasionally HR management are supposed to be the employee advocate or company moral officer in the competitive area of international and working situation of the organization. Now we see the strategic roles of HR management. First one is a strategic partner. Acting as a strategic partner, HR management encourages the reliability and capability of employee contributing towards the organization goals. Next one is a change champion. HR management as a change champion persuades the organization about the incorporation and sustenance of isolated and independent organization actions through a systematic change process. Only HR management make an organization capable of machine matching up the change or to exceed from the external rate of change. HR management counsel the employee for their personal development and adaptation or to change both the individual as well as organizational level. At individual level, the person change is to improve, whereas an organization level, HR management assist acquiring and incorporating the changing trade.